Hey guys, welcome back. Now we'll look into the next method of sorting a list is the sort method. Now, when I'm talking about sort method, um, this particular method is only used to sort a list. Yeah. So the method arranges the objects in a list in an ascending order by default. Okay. If you put the reverse parameter as true, it will make it in a descending order. Now, there is another parameter as we had for sorted, that is key. Now, the key parameter holds a none value by default. This parameter is used by method to set a sorting criteria that differs from either ascending or descending order. So the value set to the key parameter must always be a function that accepts one argument and returns a key to use for a sorting purposes. Yeah. So you need to understand that this particular method is used to sort list only, whereas sorted was used for sorting all kinds of iterables. Yes. So let's see a quick example that we had earlier where we sorted numbers. So we'll use the sort method. This was the syntax. So I give the list name dot sort, whereas we are in the sorted method, we directly started with the method sorted and then gave the list name inside the brackets. Whereas in sort, you have to give the list name outside the bracket and dot sort. So let me sort this method by, I have this numbers of sort method on numbers. Okay. So this is numbers dot sort. Yeah. I do not need to specify the list inside this, and I do not need to specify uh, a storage variable because this particular method does not create a new variable altogether where it has to be stored, whereas it modifies the original list itself. So let me see the output. Yeah, you can see this. Same way, if I in descending order, then I have to mention reverse equals to true. So I have this list in the descending order. Same way I can do for strings or characters method using hexagraphics. So I just keep the subjects outside. I'll say subjects dot sort. Yeah. And then I have this subjects again. So we see this sorted list. Yeah. Same way, I can what I can do is I can have a mix of numbers and characters. So suppose I have a mix of numbers and characters. So I have this 1, comma 2, comma 8, comma 9. Yeah. And this as well. So let's see how does it sorts this entire list. So it is not sorting this because okay, let me see where I have gone wrong. Okay, I have to put this in double quotes. I missed that. Here we are. So it has sorted this entire list. Yeah. So it has to be all characters in order to sort that particular list, or it has to be all numbers. It cannot have a mix of values and numbers as such to sort a particular list. Okay. So you need to be very careful when you're doing this kind of, or you're using this kind of methods. Now, there is another way by which you can use the list or the sort function is, now suppose I have this function. Okay, suppose I have this function to get the length of a string. Rather, I'll put it in my example itself. Yeah, using lexicographical and keyword. So I'll say I have A as one of the B, C, this A, I have B, I have, yeah. So I have this alphabets, yeah, wherein in first I have 5 A's, 1 B, 3 C's, and 2 D's. Now what I want to do is, I want to sort this particular list based on the length of the alphabets that are available for each item. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll say key equals to len. Yes. And I'll try to print that. Let's see what happens. We'll see at the output and then we'll talk about it. Now you can find that it has sorted this particular list based on the length of the string. So B had one alphabet, so it is sorted at the first, wherein A should have been the first. If I would have gone without the key, if I try to not specify the key, then see this? A was the first, B, C, and D. But since I have added a function as a parameter, which is the key, it has considered the length of each item. And based on that length, it had sorted this entire list. Yeah. So this is the difference of using key and the reverse parameter which are available in sort. So I hope you like this video and you'll use this sort for manipulating your data or arranging your data very well. Yeah. Do like, share this video, do comment if you have any views on this video, or if you want to give additional information which will be helpful to the viewers of the video. And do subscribe to my channel to get such video directly at your inbox. Thank you so much.